Hello friends, we are discussing the chapter thermodynamics, and in our last lecture we have discussed about the change in internal energy of the system, and we have discussed that the change can be done by method 1, that we can supply heat to the system and increase the temperature of the system and increase the internal energy of the system, or by method 2 we can do work. By doing work also, the internal energy of the system can be changed. Now, in today's lecture, initially we are going to discuss the internal energy of the monoatomic gas. Now, as the name suggests, we are going to discuss about argon. Now, who is argon? Argon is from the family of the inert gases. That is the last orbit of all the inert gases and the family of all these inert gases, the last orbit is complete. Hence, the inert gases do not require any bonding with any other molecules. ह्या इनर्ट गॅसेसचे लास्ट ऑर्बिट कंप्लीट असल्यामुळे ते कोणाशीही इतर they do not bond with the other elements. Now, so argon is a monoatomic gas. That is, there is only a single atom in argon and its last orbit is complete. So, it is happy to move in the space, and hence such argon gas has, we know that according to the law, and hence such argon gas has 3 degrees of freedom. That is, such argon monoatomic gas,
the atoms can move
along the x-axis, along the y-axis and along the z-axis. We know, we have studied initially in our last chapter that according to the law of equipartition of energy, for every degree of freedom, the internal energy assigned is half kBt, where kB is the Boltzmann's constant and T is the temperature of the gas. And hence, since argon is a monoatomic gas, the internal energy of the argon is, we have to take 3 times half kBt, that is half kBt 3 times. So, half kBt for x-axis, half kBt for y-axis, half kBt for y-axis, and for z-axis half kBt. So, hence we have here the total internal energy for the argon, which is a monoatomic gas, which has 3 degrees of freedom. It will have the internal energy as 3 by 2 kBt. So, 3 by 2 kBt is the internal energy for the inert gas argon. Now see that kB is the Boltzmann's constant, which is a constant. 3 by 2 is also a constant. Hence, the internal energy of the argon, it depends upon the temperature. The more the temperature, the more the internal energy for the monoatomic gas. Now, we take our discussion to the diatomic gas. So, the internal energy of a diatomic gas. We are considering the diatomic gas, which is oxygen. Now, we know that the oxygen molecule has 2 atoms. 2 oxygens are bonded with each other, and hence we write the oxygen as O2. Oxygen gas, the oxygen molecule is O2. Now, we are going to discuss about the internal energy of the diatomic gas oxygen. ऑक्सिजनच्या मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये 2 atoms आहेत. Hence, it is a diatomic gas. Now, असा हा ऑक्सिजनचा मॉलिक्यूल, it is free to move in space like argon. Like the monoatomic gas argon. Argon is also free to move in space. Now, this the oxygen molecule, so due to its translational degrees of freedom, because ह्या स्पेसमध्ये ऑक्सिजन मॉलिक्यूल मूव्ह होऊ शकतो म्हणून त्याला 3 ट्रान्सलेशनल डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम आहे अलॉंग द एक्स ॲक्सिस, अलॉंग द वाय ॲक्सिस अँड अलॉंग द झेड ॲक्सिस. दॅट इज हाफ KBT, हाफ KBT and half KBT according to the law of equipartition of energy. For every degree of freedom, it is assigned half KBT. So 3/2 KBT. 3 into half KBT, that is 3/2 KBT, for that is the translational degrees of freedom. So here it is 3/2 KBT, and here the rotational degrees of freedom, it is 2/2 KBT. So there are 3/2 plus 2/2. So that is, here we get 3/2 KBT plus 2/2 KBT, that is equal to 5/2 KBT. Hence, the internal energy of the oxygen molecule is, which is diatomic gas, is 5/2 KBT. So in this way, the internal energy depends. Now 5/2 is a constant, Kb, which is Boltzmann's constant, is a constant. So the internal energy of the oxygen molecule depends upon temperature. So now in the next point we are going to discuss about the positive work done by the system and negative work done by the system. Now here we have considered a cylinder. आपण इथे एक सिलेंडर घेतलेला आहे आणि त्या सिलेंडरच्या आतमध्ये गॅस मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत. दो आय हॅव नॉट शोन इन, मी इथे दाखवलेले नाहीत, मी फक्त 2च मॉलिक्युल्स दाखवलेले गॅसचे, बट देर आर लॅक्स अँड लॅक्स नंबर ऑफ गॅस मॉलिक्युल्स इनसाइड द सिस्टम. सो ही जी सिस्टम आहे, जे सिलेंडर आहे, त्या सिलेंडरमध्ये आपण गॅस घेतलेला आहे ज्याला आपण सिस्टम म्हणतोय, अँड ह्या सिलेंडरला एक पिस्टन आपण तिथे लावलेलं आहे. अँड द पिस्टन इज, हाऊ इज द पिस्टन? इट इज movable so that it can move in the forward and backward direction. It is frictionless and it is massless. So frictionless so that the frictional force are not to be considered, and massless so that the mass is very, very less and hence it can be neglected. So such a piston is considered. It is properly fitted in the cylinder, in which there are gas molecules inside it. Now see here, I have shown by the arrow. Now this, the magnitude of momentum, इथे मी ब्लॅक ने दाखवलेला आहे. This is the magnitude of the momentum. It is much. The molecules inside the gas have momentum. They are moving with random motion. Now in this case, the gas molecules, हे जे खूप जास्त gas molecules आहेत, these many gas molecules which have large momentum, they are moving along the direction of the piston and they are striking the piston. त्यांनी इथे पिस्टनला जाऊन आदळलेत. मी फक्त एक मॉलिक्यूल दाखवलेले आदळताना, असे हजारो लाखो मॉलिक्युल्स तिथे जाऊन त्या पिस्टनवर आदळलेले आहेत. अँड देअर मोमेंटम, इथे बघा मी हे मोमेंटम, या त्याचं मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ मोमेंटम मी दाखवलं आहे, डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोमेंटम मी दाखवलेली आहे. सो द मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ मोमेंटम इज सो मच, this much big. So the momentum is more. So this momentum, with this momentum, the molecule is going and hitting the piston. Then the molecule is going to lose the momentum. Now we know that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be only converted from one form to another. So the molecule is losing. Molecule is hitting the piston. Hence, the momentum of the molecule is lost to the piston. And the piston gains momentum. So, the momentum which is lost by all the molecules, इथे मी दाखवलेलं आहे, हा एक मॉलिक्यूल आहे ज्याचा मोमेंटम एवढा आहे आणि जाताना जेव्हा तो ह्याच्यावर हिट करतो तेव्हा एवढा मोमेंटम असतो आणि जेव्हा इथून परत फिरतो त्याला हिट करून, त्यावेळेला त्याचं मोमेंटम इथे दाखवलेलं आहे. द मोमेंटम, त्याचा मॅग्निट्यूड दाखवलेला आहे. द मॅग्निट्यूड इज व्हेरी व्हेरी स्मॉल. म्हणजे त्याचा मोमेंटम तो त्या पिस्टनला देतो. इट लुजेस मोमेंटम टू द पिस्टन अँड द पिस्टन गेन्स मोमेंटम. पिस्टन मोमेंटम गेन करतो त्या सगळ्या मॉलिक्युल्सचे की जे त्याला हिट करतायत. आणि असे हे सगळे मॉलिक्युल्स जे त्याला हिट करतायत या डायरेक्शनमध्ये, हेन्स द piston moves out. The piston moves out. So the motion of the piston is in this direction. Since the motion is in this direction, hence the volume of the gas inside increases. That is, the change in volume is greater than 0. That is, the gas expands, or there is expansion of gas. In this case, the work is done बाय द सिस्टीम ऑफ गॅस. ही जी गॅस आहे आतमध्ये, या सिलेंडरच्या आतमध्ये, त्या सिस्टीमनी कार्य केलेलं आहे. गॅस, द वर्क इज डन बाय द सिस्टीम. द वर्क इज डन बाय द गॅस इन दिस केस. सो सच वर्क इज कॉल्ड ॲज पॉझिटिव्ह वर्क. नाव इन द नेक्स्ट केस वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस निगेटिव्ह वर्क डन बाय द सिस्टीम. नाव हिअर again we have considered a cylinder, and we have considered there are thousands and lakhs of molecules of gas inside this cylinder. The cylinder again is fitted with a piston which is massless, which is frictionless, and which is movable. So such is the type of piston. And now here initial momentum, हे जे गॅस मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत त्याचं इनिशियल मोमेंटम मी या ॲरो मार्कने दाखवलेलं आहे. ॲरो कसा आहे? छोटा आहे, व्हेरी स्मॉल. म्हणजे त्याचं इनिशियल मोमेंटम कसं आहे? व्हेन इट इज मुव्हिंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, इनिशियल मोमेंटम इज व्हेरी व्हेरी लेस. नाव द पिस्टन इज मूव्ड फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. बाहेरून पिस्टनला असं ढकललेलं आहे आतमध्ये. सो व्हेन द पिस्टन इज पुश्ड इनसाइड the cylinder, so when the motion of the piston is in this direction, this time piston is moved inside the cylinder. So naturally what is happening? आता momentum कोणाकडे आहे? piston कडे momentum आहे, because it has kinetic energy, it is in motion. piston moving आहे म्हणजे त्याच्याकडे kinetic energy आहे. kinetic energy म्हणजे त्याच्याकडे momentum आहे. momentum is mass into velocity. Now जे गॅस मॉलिक्युल्स या पिस्टनवर आदळतात त्यांचं मोमेंटम आधी कमी असतं. वी हॅव सीन हिअर, इथे कमी मोमेंटमचे गॅस मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत, त्यांचं पिस्टनवर ते आदळतात. पिस्टन लुजेस मोमेंटम अँड द गॅस मॉलिक्यूल गेन्स मोमेंटम. सो इथे बघा, आफ्टर द कोलिजन हा गॅस मॉलिक्यूल ह्याच्यावर इथे आदळल्यानंतर, इथे हिट झालं, पिस्टनवर हिट झाल्यानंतर, when the gas molecule is moving in this direction, now see here, see the arrow mark, the magnitude of the arrow is much, this arrow is small, this arrow is big. What is the meaning? That the molecule, the atom now has greater momentum. That is, the atom or the molecule of the gas has gained momentum. Then who has lost momentum? The piston, when it is moving in this direction. Piston was moving in this direction. So the molecule which hits the piston, which is moving in this direction, the molecule of gas gains momentum. The piston loses momentum. Hence initial momentum is very small. The final momentum of the molecule is large, as seen by the magnitude of this arrow. Magnitude of this arrow. हा arrow छोटा है, हा arrow मोठा है. Hence the piston loses momentum. The molecules of the gas gain momentum. Now they can move with greater velocity because they have gained momentum. Now the volume decreases because the piston is moved in this direction. The volume decreases. The change in volume is less than 0, and that is the gas is compressed. इथे gas compressed झालेला आहे. Now the work in this case, the work is done on the system. याच्या आधीच्या केसमध्ये the work is done by the system. या केसमध्ये वर्क इज डन ऑन द सिस्टीम ऑर द वर्क इज डन ऑन द गॅस. सो असं जे वर्क आहे की जे त्या सिस्टीमवर केलं जातं, such work is called as negative work. Positive work, remember, positive work is that work which is done by the system. So here work is greater than 0 because this work is positive work. In this case, the work is not done by the system. The work is done on the system. System नी कार्य केलेलं नाहीये, system वर कार्य केलेलं आहे. So the work is done on the system. Hence the work in this case is negative or less than 0. Thank you.